In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make fields required in Adobe Sign, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Adobe Sign or looking to streamline your workflow, ensuring that certain fields in your documents are required is a vital skill. Requiring fields is especially useful when you want to ensure that no important information gets left out by the signer. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together, step by step. First up, open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Whatever you're comfortable using is perfectly fine. Once your browser is up, go ahead and open Adobe Sign and head to the login page. If you haven't logged in already, now is the time to enter your credentials. Make sure your login details are at hand, and don't worry if you've got two-factor authentication. Just have your phone or email device accessible to complete that as well. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at your Adobe Sign dashboard. Now, the next thing we're going to do is locate the document where you want to make fields required. In the interface, look for the Documents section. This is typically easily found on the left navigation panel, or depending on your layout, somewhere noticeable on your dashboard. Click on Documents, and you should see a list of all the documents uploaded or shared with you in Adobe Sign. Find the document you want to edit and click on it to open. Once you've accessed the document, look for the Edit option. Generally, this will be a button you can easily spot, possibly highlighted or marked with a pencil icon indicating editing capabilities. Clicking on Edit will open up the document in a mode that allows you to make changes to the fields. At this stage, you're in an editable view of your document. This is where you can add or modify fields. You'll want to add an e-signature field if it's not already present. Simply drag and drop this field onto the document where you need the signature. After placing the e-signature field, it's crucial to make sure it's a required field, so the signer cannot skip it. Here's how you do it. Right-click on the e-signature field you've just added. A small panel will appear with options relating to that field. In this menu, search for the option that says Required Field and make sure the box next to it is checked. This setting ensures that the signer will be obligated to fill this field before they can complete and submit the document. And there you have it. We've successfully made a field required in Adobe Sign in no time. This feature will help ensure that you receive all necessary information for your documents, mitigating the risk of errors or omissions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips on making the most out of Adobe Sign.